Hello, my name is Brad from Volkswagen Van City Lancashire, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Crafter Panel Van Commerce Long Wheelbase TDI 6-speed manual presented in that stunning candy white solid paint. This is a 2-litre diesel engine with 140 PS power output. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. Here we have your silver steel wheel trims. And moving on to the front of the vehicle, dotted on your front bumper are your colour coordinated front parking sensors, which can also be located on your rear bumper for your colour coordinated rear parking sensors, along with a rear view camera allowing for extra safety and vision when reversing or parking this vehicle in all types of surroundings. We also have some additional VW and Crafter badging dotted around the multiple areas on the exterior of this panel van. Opening up the rear barn doors on 180-degree hinges allows you to reverse up tight to any loading bays that require you to, and once opened reveals ample offload space where there is also lighting located at the top to increase visibility in this fully ply-line van, which is complete with lashing rings which assist with securing any heavy, light or fragile loads. And here we just get another angle of the rear of the van from your passenger side sliding door. Now we get to our first look at the driver's cab. A quick look at the controls to the electronically controlled windows. On an entry, you are met by a very spacious area where you have your multifunctional steering wheel, which we'll touch on later on in the video, your dual passenger seats, along with your driver's seat there, and as we pan back around the dashboard, we have additional storage compartments for any smaller personal belongings, along with a couple of drink holders and a grab handle, allowing for easier access in and out of the driver's cab. To the left of your multifunctional steering wheel, we have your volume control, and to the right, we have your voice activation. Moving on to the center console now, I'm just going to go through a few of the many features it has. We start off with the digital radio, where you're able to listen to and find all your favourite radio stations and save them onto the system whilst on the go. A quick look now at App Connect, where you can use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which is a feature which allows you to access and use apps from your mobile device, such as Spotify, where you can listen to your own personal playlist, and Google Maps navigation. We also have your electronically controlled air conditioning system, which is extremely easy to use. And finally, for your center console, we get a quick look at your front and rear parking sensors, along with that rear view camera, allowing for extra safety and vision when reversing this vehicle. Directly below is your manual gear stick, and additional storage compartment with a couple of USB seats. And once again, panning back around the dashboard, we get another angle of them smaller storage compartments, perfect for storing any smaller personal belongings you may be taking with you.